Alright, so this is one of those funky videos that I actually really like. So with me, sometimes I get these little stuffy sort of feelings, little headache sort of feelings, and I always feel a little compression at the top. Sometimes it's a little adjustment like this where they put a little traction here and lift up and kind of pull. What they're trying to do is separate the top couple vertebrae to release some of that pressure. I know it looks a little bit funky, but I actually really like it. It's very specific to the area where you're trying to adjust, and it's really kind of one of those things that release a little bit of pressure. It's simple and safe. It's one of those things that if it's done correctly can really provide a lot of relief and release a lot of tension. I like it. It's simple and effective. You should try it.